fire warning.
Left fire warning confirmed.
Right prop lever full forward.
Confirm right prop lever.
Right prop lever confirmed.
Right prop lever full forward.
Left power lever mid position.
Confirm left power lever.
Left power lever confirmed.
Left power lever mid position.
Left prop lever feather.
Confirm left prop lever.
Left prop lever confirmed.
Left prop lever feather.
Left fuel lever off.
Confirm left fuel lever.
Left fuel lever confirmed.
Left fuel lever off.
Left fuel emergency switch off.
Confirm left fuel emergency switch.
Left fuel emergency switch confirmed.
Left fuel emergency switch off.
Left fire pull handle pull.
Confirm left fire pull handle.
Left fire pull handle confirmed.
Left fire pull handle pull.
Left boost pump switch off.
Confirm left boost pump switch.
Left boost pump switch confirmed.
Left boost pump switch off.
Engine fire in flight checklist.
Engine fire in flight checklist. Memory items are complete. Power lever, Hartzell 4-blade, idle.
Left power lever idle.
Confirm left power lever.
Left power lever confirmed.
Left power lever, idle. Proceed to cross F engine shutdown.
Proceed to the cross on F engine shutdown.
Generator switch off.
Left generator switch off.
Left generator switch off. Bleed air switch off.
Left bleed air switch off.
Left bleed air switch off. Prop auto feather switch off.
Prop auto feather switch off.
Proceed to G, landing with engine inoperative.
Okay, we're going to postpone that checklist till we're on final.
Engine shutdown checklist complete.